All right, let's do this. Okay, first off, 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. Really, really nice. We got the proximity entry right there. We've got the 360 camera system. There's the camera. We've got blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, marker lights on the mirrors. In the front, we got the really cool looking daytime running lights right there. You got LED headlights and high beams. Really nice bold grille. You got the front facing camera right here. We've got the front facing camera right up here for the autonomous emergency braking and lane keep assist and pedestrian detection and cyclist detection and junction assist. Inside the vehicle, we have really, really nice layout of the dashboard, of course. Leather interior, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-way adjustable power driver's seat, manual adjustment on the passenger side. 10-inch beautiful display here. We've got dual zone climate control. Down here, we got different terrain modes. Up and down here for the terrain mode selection. Drive terrain, auto hold, e-brake. We've got ventilated seats, heated seats. We've got heated steering wheel. Only had to catch my breath. We've got blind view monitor when you turn on the turn signals, which is super cool using the cameras. We've got a box light button right there, tilt and telescopic wheel. Let's go back to the box. Tonneau cover comes as standard. Now this, of course, is the 2.5 liter turbo with H-Track all-wheel drive. We got a dampened tailgate, lots of room back here. It's a 4.5-foot box with a little bit of storage underneath the box as well. We've got some storage in here. Now this is cool. We've got a 120 volt power outlet over here. It's also got storage. Nothing special in here. Adjustable bed rail latch things. We've got, of course, retractable tonneau cover, which right now is stuck because it's covered in ice. Can't do anything about that, guys, sorry. Backup camera right there. This one's got a trailer hitch on it, of course. We got side steps on the bumpers. Can tow 5,000 pounds, can carry 1,750 pounds. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my full video review.